Enna, you're doing mommy voice for the next round. Mommy voice. I like the
What?
mommy.
What?
Do it!
Yeah,
Yes,
baby,
yes, yes!
That's the shit I like.
Thank you.
You are
Thank
my
you,
favorite
Fulgur.
guy.
Thank you, Fulgur.
Oh,
That's
for
fair.
this entire game?
For this entire round. It'll be done when the round is over. That's fair.
Yeah.
Okay,
Now, hurry
Daddy.
Don't say that. Where's the mommy voice? Where's the
I
mommy voice?
Yeah, where's
love
the
it
mommy
when Daddy gets 2 cards added to his big deck.
Oh, stop. No, no big deck. That's
It's
terrible. Yes, that's terrible.
backfiring! It's backfiring!
Enna out here just.
What color do you need, Enna? What color do you need? I want you to win this game.
Daddy, surprise me.
Fuck
I just want you to know that you'll never make me more miserable than I already am.
Oh my god, why did I find that odd
pretty
though?
good.
Okay, now
Actually.
that's more my style. I like the sound of that. Let's go, Enna.
Daddy,
Listen, Alban, you
the
can't just bust
edgelord.
to me as I was having a good time.
busting through me. Oh, yes.
Busting!
Oh,
my
God, no. You bitch.
Oh,
must
yeah, call me
continue. What the
bitch.
Oh my god.
Wait a minute,
Oh.
hold on. Okay, I'm starting to warm up to this.
No,
I'm-
Yeah,
I'm
a little
I'm
kitty
warmed
cat.
up this.
I don't want to know about the clips. The clips are going to be terrible.
Oh, look at the little boy growing his deck.
How dare. How dare.
Daddy. Hi, Finana, my little fishy wishy.
No!
Oh, of course, Finana's it. Why does Finana always show up at moments like these?
Looks like things are a little fishy.
I love
God.
fishy pussy.
Oh my god! Go
Yuck.
on. Go on.
Give me your big deck, Daddy.
Jesus.
No one can defeat Enna. Enna too powerful.
Oh no,
No shame.
Fulgur. I insist.
No, Mika. I insist. Don't you worry.
Come on, let me have a turn at
Hey.
this threesome. Daddy.
Hmm? Silence from Enna? That's
Oh,
unusual.
there you go, Daddy. I want to exchange it back to you.
Ew! What?
Bigger! Bigger!
Oh
Yes, honey.
You thought you can.
I want to
No, you know what? What did you do, Enna? What did I do wrong?
Why won't anybody fuck me?
Oh my god.
I was about to say
no, you
something
good?
really mean, but
That felt really real right there. You good?
Yes, Daddy. I'm
No.
perfect. Oh,
Oh, there
yes,
you go.
I got rid of all of my yellow cards.
There you go, Enna. You don't need someone to fuck you. You can fuck yourself.
yeah.
Self-love right there.
I do that every day.
Oh, there we go again. Holy shit. I needed a
Oh,
doll.
yes!
Oh my
Alban,
god, she's
keep
still
putting
doing it.
No, stop!
Give me another card. Yes.
Everything you do, Alban.
Everything
Alban.
you
Enna
do
takes.
is
What is it?
amazing.
What is it?
Oh,
single
yes,
thing.
Mika.
Stop it!
Wow.
I'm so.
Guys, this
I'm
is such
so
an
conflicted.
experience.
It's like my heart and my brain are both conflicted. What do I do?
Yes, honey.
No, you do not. No, you do not. I do not want to challenge. You know what? I will. Challenge.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
It's okay, Mika.
getting out of this
bigger
game.
deck, bigger dick.
Is that why yours is so small, Enna? Oh, Fulgur's too.
Oh.
I don't have a
Yo,
deep
you jumped in. Oh, God.
A 9! I have a 6. Let me put it down.
Oh, yeah, well, fuck you, Alban.
Fuck you, Mika!
Yes, more fucking.